How to get your Wi-Fi password in 60 seconds. Right, so once you have access to your computer, do as follows. Go to the right corner and there should be a Wi-Fi icon, as you can see, something like this. Right click, network and internet settings. Click Wi-Fi, the first option. Then it should say your network. As you can see, for me, it says testnet. So if I just press this, and there is also a button, Wi-Fi network password. If you just press this, show, it'll actually also not only give you the password, it'll also give you a QR code which you can use to connect to your network, which is actually very, very handy and very, very nice from Windows. However, if for whatever reason you can't get to the Wi-Fi icon, then there is actually basically the master way which will work on all systems. Go to your Windows search bar or just press the Windows key and type in control panel, right? Control panel. Then go to the network and internet, network and sharing center. As you can see, there should be your Wi-Fi connections, Wi-Fi testnet. Press this. It should open up this menu. Go to wireless properties, security, and press show characters, and as you can see, it should display your password, which then you can directly copy. Just again, make sure that you copy it properly so it works 100% because every key has to be accurate.